Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on the tax implications of a loan against property. A LAP is a great way to access urgent funds. But did you know that the interest rate you pay can be your ally during tax season? That's correct. You can claim several tax deductions for your loan against property repayment only if you are paying your taxes as per the old tax regime. Come, let's explore how you can leverage your LAP to reduce your tax liabilities and maximize your savings. First up, Section 24B of the Income Tax Act is your gateway to great tax savings. If you are a salaried individual, you can claim tax deductions on the interest paid on your loan against property under Section 24B. However, this comes with certain conditions. This deduction is available if you use the loan amount for the construction, repair or renovation of a residential property. Plus, you can claim a maximum deduction of 2 lakh rupees per year. Consider this example. Uday paid 2.5 lakh rupees as interest for his loan against property in a single financial year. He used these funds to renovate his house. Hence, he can claim a tax deduction of up to 2 lakh rupees under Section 24B. You can also get tax deductions for your loan against property under Section 37(1) of the Income Tax Act. This is available on the interest component of the LAP only if you utilize the funds for business expenses. Hold on! These deductions apply only to the interest portion of your LAP, not the principal amount borrowed. But what if you can also unlock tax benefits on the principal repayment? Yes, that's correct. Section 80C allows you to claim deductions on the principal repayment of your LAP. This is limited to 1.5 lakh rupees per financial year. However, these deductions are subject to certain terms and conditions. Ultimately, the tax benefits on your loan against property are dependent on the end use of the funds. Thinking of transferring your LAP to another lender for a lower interest rate? Smart move. This not only reduces your overall interest burden, but also impacts your tax savings. When you transfer your LAP, the interest you pay to the new lender becomes eligible for deduction under Section 24B. However, the total deduction claimed across all lenders cannot exceed 2 lakh rupees per year. Hence, a loan against property isn't just about unlocking funds or lesser interest rates. It's about unlocking tax benefits. Remember to leverage these provisions wisely to turn your LAP into a tax-saving superhero. Meanwhile, keep watching, keep learning.